Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually form a limited liability company in the state of Massachusetts. Now, obviously, one of the major things that you need to understand is there's three different methodologies that are available. And the reason why we make all these amazing videos for you guys is to give you the proper insight, knowledge, and know-how of exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. We're going to look in today's video of the three methodologies. The first one is going through the state website of the state of Massachusetts and how to actually form a limited liability company and what is a limited liability company for that matter. The second is talking about a platform that can help you from A to Z and give you all the required information and support that you require in order to form a limited liability company. And the third methodology is actually speaking to a business attorney, a lawyer that can guide you, support you, and answer any questions that you may have. The first thing that you need to do is head over to the official Massachusetts state website, which is mass.gov. Now, one of the things that I absolutely love about this website is the fact that every single information that you require is clearly visibly given to you. So if there's anything that you want to find out about personal income taxes, STEM education, or applying for unemployment benefits, you can easily do that. If you want to check your income tax and refund statement, you can do that as well. Now, once you get over here, you'll see on the top over here, you'll have your living with the health and social services, families and children's, homes and properties, transportation, legal and justice. Working would have the business resources with professional licenses, permits, finding a job, taxes, and industry regulations. If you want to learn, there's so much elements available from early childhood education and care to elementary and secondary schools in the state of Massachusetts, and even higher education and continuing education and for educators and administrators. If you're visiting and want to explore the state, you can look for parks and recreation, fishing and hunting, historical sites, art, family fun, travel options, and seasonal activities. And if you go over to your government, you can look at the executive, constitutional, and independence, legislation, judicial, city and towns, and state office and courts from A to Z. Now, obviously, we're going to head over to working and click on business resources. Now, one of the things I really like about the state is the fact that they have a very open book policy. Now, you have apprentices, business supports, doing business in Massachusetts, laws and regulations, licenses and permits, and there's so many elements that are available. Obviously, one of the most important things is types of businesses. Now, there's different types of businesses that you can form in the state of Massachusetts, but you need to understand exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. The top task that you must do is register your business with Mass Tax Connect and apply for the employer identification number. The employer identification number is literally your social security for your business. If you do not have an employer identification number, EIN, you will not be able to do work or do anything for that matter in the state of Massachusetts. Now, there's different sorts of legal structures that are available that you can go for. It could be sole traders, corporations, partnerships, or limited liability companies and limited liability partnerships. Now, we're going to look at the limited liability company, so let's click on this. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the next page where you have a complete breakdown that what is a limited liability company. A limited liability company is an unincorporated association that provides limited liability to its owners, and generally members are not personally liable for any limited liability company from debts, obligations, or liabilities. Members can take part in management and control of the LLC without increasing their personal exposure beyond their contribution to the business. Like corporations, limited liability companies are created by filing a certificate of organization with the Secretary of the Commonwealth and paying a fee. The LLC's functions under the terms of an operating agreement, a document that is comparable to a partnership agreement. And the limited liability company must also file an annual report with the Secretary of Commonwealth. Now, obviously, this might seem very overwhelming for you, and it's for that reason we're going to introduce you to inkfile.com, the fast, free, awarding winning company formation, and you can join over 1 million business owners that have filed and formed limited liability companies since 2004. Now, guys, starting a new business can be stressful and expensive, and there's so much things that you need to file with a limited liability company, varying from state requirements, and there are numerous steps and a lot of important documentation that leave plenty of room for error. and mistakes that can be very costly for you in the future. But with the help of Inkfile, you will be able to start a limited liability company with simply paying a state fee to file your business, because Inkfile does not charge any processing fee on top of it, and formation through Inkfile is free always, and you can choose to add on additional services with the premium packages, which we're going to look at in a second. So there's no hidden cost or subscription. It is 100% free formation and the fastest filing speed that's available, for free registered agent and free compliance reminders. And one of the things that really makes Inkfile stand out is because it is a comprehensive set of services that has got you covered, from getting your EIN number and business licenses to submitting your annual report. Just choose the service that suits your situation and when you need it. And one of the best things is the fact that they can help you get your EIN number, which is a very tedious task on its own. Your business essentials are all going to be in one place, so you get reminders and compliance alerts, and you can grow your business with additional services when you need them. And all you need to do is scroll down and click on Get Started. Now, once we do that, we'll be taken to the next page. Over here, we're going to have two options. The first one is entity type, and the second is state of formation. Now, guys, we have to select the entity type that we want. It could be a limited liability company, the S corporation, the C corporations, or nonprofit. We're going to go with a limited liability company. Then we're going to select what state we want to form our limited liability company in. In today's video, we're looking at the state of Massachusetts. So once we select that, we're going to be given three options and three packages: silver, gold, and platinum. The silver one is for $520. The state fee is $520. So basically, the state fee is what your selected state charges to file a new business entity, and this amount is passed through and goes 100% directly to the Secretary of State, and Inkfile does not keep any part of it. While on the other hand, that package price covers the cost to create, prepare, and file all the required legal paperwork on your behalf to properly form your business entity. It also includes the cost for additional services and products in your chosen package. Now, the thing that you look at over here is the state fee is the same for the platinum, for the gold, and for the silver, $520. The package fee is what differs: $299 for the platinum, $199 for the gold, and completely free for the silver. Now, if you scroll down for the silver one, you get everything from preparing and filing article or organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, and unlimited phone and email support, guys. And if you look at this, this is one of the things I love about Inkfile, because you only need to pay the state fee and no package fee, but you'll still be able to set up your limited liability company. If you go for the gold, you can get the comprehensive features to get your business started. The package fee is $199, so the total is going to be $719, but you get preparation of filing and articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, your EIN business tax number, IRS Form 2553, operating agreements, banking resolutions, lifetime company alerts, and online access dashboard, and my personal favorite, the unlimited phone and email support and business banking account, as well as business tax consultation. Now, obviously, if you're a first-time entrepreneur and developing and starting your limited liability company for the first time, I would highly suggest for you to go for the platinum one, where you get the full features at the best value at $819 with a package fee of $299 and a state fee of $520. You get business contract templates, free next day filing, domain name, and business email, with everything that's available in the gold and silver, and so much more. Guys, there's one thing that you need to understand, that filing and structuring and developing and executing and implementing a limited liability company is a very long and tedious thing to do. There's so many areas that need to be covered legally. So if you're a first-time developer who has not actually created a limited liability company in the past, you would face a lot of difficulty, and there's a very high chance that you might leave some base uncovered, which can cost you a very huge amount later on in the future. So make sure you have the proper support, the proper assistance, and guidance, so you get everything covered in the same way. Now, one of the things a lot of people tend to ask me is the fact that if you want to speak to someone directly and ask them questions, where can you go? And that is where LegalZoom comes in. LegalZoom helps businesses set up formation, wills and trusts, and intellectual properties. Attorneys are with you every step of the way. They've helped 2 million businesses and done 650,000 consultations, and obviously they will refund their fee within the first 60 days if you're unhappy with their service. So you have the peace of mind knowing that your documentations have been legally recognized in every state, and you'll never need to leave home to work with a lawyer. There's no hourly charges and no surprises. And whether you need a form to business, you can apply for licensing, permits, get tax IDs. They will set your business up for success. All you need to do is select what kind of business you want to form, a limited liability company, and you'll simply be taken to the next step so you can start your business with confidence. You can easily follow the 3 simple steps in forming a limited liability company by telling the business name that you have picked, answer a few questions, and they'll complete and file the paperwork for you. It is that simple, straightforward, and easy. And if you want to speak to any attorney directly, just give them a call on this number and you can speak to someone who will answer all your questions for you. So guys, if you have any questions whatsoever in regards to the video or need any assistance and support, you can always ask us in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, easy it is to actually set up a limited liability company in the state of Massachusetts. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.